Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to hide phone number in Telegram. Friends, due to any reason if you want to hide your phone number in Telegram app, then you simply need to open Telegram app. In Telegram app, press on these three lines. Now here you need to press on settings. In settings, press on privacy and security. Now here you need to press on phone number. Now if it is selected everybody, then you can select it to my contacts or nobody. I am selecting nobody. Now by selecting this option, no one on Telegram will able to see your phone number. But if anyone already know your number and is in your contact list, then he will able to find you on Telegram. After selecting the required options, press on the stick icon. Now you have selected phone number viewable to nobody. So friends, like this you can very easily hide your phone number in Telegram app. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.